It's your boy DJ, Skin Penis, and today I'm here with fidget spinner tricks. My brother's gonna be getting one in the mail like the 19th or something. I'm gonna be getting one tomorrow or the day after. I just won this one at Duluth Econo Lodge.
Oh, and he keeps dropping it.
And I'm also trying to make him one, but I don't have any tools because my mom won't give him ours, and Nikki doesn't have a wrench.
Exactly. Give me that back. Not yours. You have one at your grandma's.
And I'm also going to be teaching you some hacks on how to make your fidget spinner better.
Yeah, the reason why his is so good is because it has a speed bearing, and speed bearings are like really good.
Sit down, I'll tell you. Now, this one doesn't matter if you have a speed bearing or not. I don't think any of them matter. Nikki, do you have a pen? Are you going to give me a pen?
Sure.
Here, I'll hold it. I could have just walked by. Dang. He's going to be so shocked.
I think a motorcycle car is here.
Nope. It's my mom.
Car sounds like a freaking motorcycle car, dude.
I need this one first. Nope.
What's this?
Yeah, you really think that's gonna work? Nope. Yeah, no. No, we need something smaller. Well, it works best. I'm just gonna
his brother, but not.
His name is Mr. Boobs.
Why don't you shut up, dude?
Shout out
And
to
it
Mr.
isn't.
Boobs. He doesn't have a YouTube channel yet. We're gonna be creating him one after this video.
Yeah, and it's not going to be called Mr. Boobs.
What is it gonna be called then?
Double Dare Bros.
Okay, anyway. Shout out. So, well, that was supposed to, you're supposed to take these caps off, put a pen through it. It works best with an erasable pen. You put it through, stick it on there tight, then you notice normally when it's on that it might stand up, it might just fall over, and when you spin it, when it's standing, it might just fall over, but when you spin it when it's standing, it'll just stay up there.
Yeah.
Normally. And when you spin it when it's on the ground like this, it'll soon straighten up.
Can I show him how to spin it on the ground?
Yeah, I will.
It looks like a yellow tornado. Sweet. Dude,
it's still spinning. Ready? Oh. It's still spinning. Okay.
Yeah, and
comment down below or post a video and share it to me if you can toss it under your leg and catch it. That is very hard.
He didn't even do it. He just
like
put
this.
Under.
See you guys next time.